Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can import music for your videos. So there are two ways to do it. There's three ways. You can select import here and import the music that you want to add for your videos, or you can go and add in audio from CapCut. So there's music and also sound effects as well. Or you can also extract an audio from a video. So go to extracted audio under audio, select import, and select a video. For instance, this one. And as you can see, you have the extracted audio here from the video. And I think you'll be able to see the date as well here. So today is the 17th of February, so it's going to show you the date as well on the sound. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!